I'm showing you the end stage of trigger thumb. So we've actually got there with reducing the triggering, which is incredible. So it is still picking up the trigger thumb. So there's a pull here and a pull there, which I can correct. So I'm just holding it at the ceiling. Doing this for a patient is just very magical. You're providing assistance in ways that are not otherwise able to be provided. So this is our last session. It's nice to show the results at the end of a non-invasive approach. Okay, move your thumb for me now. How does that feel?
It feels chum. Hi, I'm Clive Shepherd. I came to Robin as a consequence of pins and needles primarily in my fingers, which was keeping me awake at night. And I also had quite a strong trigger thumb. Pardon me. I didn't know what to expect in terms of the therapy technique that Robin uses. And I've had, 5-6 sessions now. And I feel a complete difference in terms of my sensitivity and the lack of pins and needles. And the trigger thumb never bothered me. It was the pins and needles was the problem. And yeah, as far as I'm concerned, it's gone and I'm having a good night's sleep again. But in terms of the techniques that are used with tuning forks, crystals, pendulums, and heaven knows else what, that to me was an absolute eye-opener. So yes, it's just a very unique, it's the last thing I expected, to be perfectly honest. But it seems to be working. So long may it live.